Welcome to the Tartan Topiary. Today, we'll be looking at Christmas with Southern Living 2025. For over half a century, Southern Living has offered inspiration to its readers, all 16 million of them, with beautiful interiors, recipes, and garden tips as it celebrates the best of Southern lifestyle. Southern Living has always celebrated Christmas in style, with recipes and menus for entertaining family and friends to decorating tips for making everything in your home merry and bright. This edition continues the tradition, and it is overflowing with gifts to make, decorating ideas that dazzle, and, of course, all those delicious recipes. Some of the finest chefs in the South are represented in this book. They have developed, tested, and collected more than 100 new recipes, plus party menus that range from simple to sensational. Each chapter offers a host of do-it-yourself ideas for making your home and table sparkle with the magic of Christmas. In the introduction, Catherine Cobbs writes, "Soon after jack-o'-lanterns disappear from porches and autumn leaves begin to fall, the holiday season is upon us." Whether you deck the halls the week of Thanksgiving or prefer to wait until mid-December, this time of year, tradition reigns supreme. Catherine continues to write, "Never let the hustle and bustle of this busy time of year overwhelm you. Tackle your to-do list head on." Christmas with Southern Living helps you do this with a detailed holiday planner that will guide you every step of the way, so all you have to do is mix, mingle, and enjoy. No matter how you prefer to decorate, with lots of whimsy and color, or traditional, with the classic Christmas hues, usher in the season with everyone's favorite cookbook and entertaining and decorating guide, Christmas with Southern Living. Usher in this Christmas with style and keep the good times rolling straight into the new year with inspired menus, delicious recipes, and fanciful embellishments for the table, tree, and beyond. All brought to you by the experts at Southern Living. Christmas with Southern Living 2025. Inspired ideas for holiday cooking and decorating. This book has 192 pages. It is published by Harry N. Abrams Publishing, and it retails for $32. I know I don't need to tell you all this, but that magical feeling one gets this time of year is indeed miraculous. The special effort that we put into decorating, shopping, and cooking. It's not always easy, but it is a true labor of love. The joy in my heart that I felt as a small child, I still feel today, and I am so grateful for that. The reason this video is a little late is because I volunteered to help my mother decorate her house. And even though she's just recently undergone hip replacement surgery, and she's a little slower than usual, I still see that twinkle in her eye. And the strong desire to decorate for this, the most wonderful time of the year. I also wanted to share with you all some of the items that I'm selling online. I have a very small shop on eBay, and the items that I have listed are usually from estate sales or auctions. I do try to pass these pieces along with very little markup. I will leave a link for my eBay shop in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. But first, I thought you would enjoy walking through some of my favorite shops as I do a little Christmas shopping. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a safe and festive week ahead.